You can tell by the title, we took the rear blocks out. So ever since I made I'm hoping these leaves aren't killing the audio, they probably are. However, ever since I made the should I squat the truck video, there's been a lot of questions asking if I was going to, when I was going to, whatever. So yesterday I just got back from the Huntsville Cars and Coffee, and well, I decided to do something to the truck, and I had a kind of a 2-hour time limit, and so I didn't really think I could get the drop shackles in, because you do have to remove the rear hitch in order to get the bolts out. So I was like, well, hey, let's just pop the I looked, I didn't even think it had rear blocks stock, but it did. So I went ahead and me and Mead took they're probably a 1-inch rear block, and you just, for anyone that's curious, all you do is crawl under here. You have to take this off so you can jack the truck up, because that will hold the rear axle on. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Once you take that and these off, then you can jack it up. I just jacked it up from the trailer hitch, it's fine. And then let's see, the block will be right there. I believe I'm pointing to it correctly. And you just pull that out when there's clearance, and then there's like a little alignment pin. It's bigger than a pin, but that's what I'm going to call it. It's in the block as well, and it's in the bottom leaf spring, so it lines up with the hole in the axle, and that aligns it, and then you just bolt her back down, and that's it. So I'm loving it. It dramatically changed it. As you can see, this is me normally how I hold it. You can see a lot more of the actual, the bed, where I don't have it run aligned, whatever. I know that's a complaint from some people as well. But yes, she's definitely got a little bulldog action going now. So if I want more, I can do the drop brackets. If I do that and it's too much, then I can put the blocks back in. But I'm loving it right now. It's nothing too extreme. It can still go off-road. Still plenty of room to flex and whatnot, so definitely trying. Lighting's kind of hurting me, but see, as you can see, that distance versus this distance, and it looks so good. I mean, it makes the tire and wheel look so much bigger just because it's stuffed up in there. And in the front, just a nice little aggressive lean squat, whatever you want to call it. And if you see, got me some pretty sweet stickers, if I do say so myself. Got a little YouTube icon on there, and then over there is the O or the star from Custom Offsets. I decided not to put the full one on there. I put it on a bunch of different places, it just didn't look right, so I just went and stuck that on there, and I think that looks pretty sweet like that. Really happy how that turned out. Chris is who made the stickers. I'll put a link to his Instagram down below. Obviously I didn't pay for them or whatever, but if you want to get some, he's got what I believe to be good prices, and the stickers seem to be pretty high quality. So yeah, but y'all let me know what you think. Is it perfect amount of squat? Is it not quite enough? You want it freaking slamming fender on tire? Probably, some of y'all, and then some of y'all are probably gonna hate it. But listen, if you don't like squat, I'm telling you, if you manage to click on this video and you are giving it a shot, just give it a shot, dude. It does look good. When squatting first became, not necessarily first became popular, but when it became popular on Instagram, stuff like that, I was like, man, that's retarded. But, and some of them are, if you got like a 8-inch lift in the front and nothing in the back, or drop shackles in the back, yeah, that looks totally stupid. It depends on the truck for sure, but you know, I'm in the little squat game. I like it. I'm not saying this truck itself is, but I'm saying what I like is we're not on perfectly flat pavement, so there's a little difference. But man, it's actually really weird seeing the rear of the truck like this low to the ground. It's obviously not that low to the ground, but it seems weird seeing it. It looks freaking sick. So like I said, y'all let me know what you think, and I guess this is gonna do it. So I'll see y'all in the next one.